What's up, guys? It's Gus Activa, and today we will be going to shop at Zara. So the last shopping video that I did at Zara, I did not end up getting anything just because they didn't have anything that I liked. Or the one thing that I did like, the price was out of range. Now, since that video, I noticed online that Zara had a bunch of sales, a bunch of deals. So now we're in Italy and I want to see if the sales are here as well. So I'll be able to try the clothes on and see if the price is good. So let's go ahead and get into it. A lot of people on the street today. A lot of people. Everyone's trying to get deals like me. Yeah. And we are 4 minutes away. I just got done shopping at H&M. I ended up getting some gloves, but the H&M store was nice. And we'll see if this Zara store is nice as well. Alright, I think I found what I'm looking for. The Zara is in here. So I think I go through those doors over there and I'll be in. I just have to cross. Let's go ahead and cross together. Could I cross up here? I think so. Yeah, I think so. So let's see. Yep, I can cross. Looks pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's see. These are really soft. Really soft, actually. Let me put my phone down so I can actually touch the fabric. There's a car inside the store. That's cool. Car inside the store. I wonder if someone could drive it. I don't know. I don't think there's any gas in it. So this Zara is really, really nice. It's really organized. It has a lot of style in it. The architecture and the way the store is set up is really nice as well. And I have about 3 things that I want to try. A couple of them aren't my size. They're one size bigger, but I want to see if that fits me as well, just because the deal is kind of good. So if it fits me good and I'm content with it, then I'll take it. If not, then it was still a good experience coming here. Now I need to find a fitting room. Let's see. Let's see if I can find more deals. Okay, so the fitting room is downstairs. Let's go ahead and walk down these stairs. The walls have a nice wooden brown color to it, which is pretty cool. Ugh. All right. Ooh, it's nice in here. How you going? There you go.
¿Paso o no?
Pretty cool stuff in here. Let's go back upstairs. So I was able to find one pair of pants that I wanted from the last time, that I went to Zara, but they weren't my size and the price point was off. But this time I found a good size and it's on sale, so we're gonna go ahead and buy it. So let's go ahead and do that now. This is a better look at the car. It's pretty cool. It's a silver car, and on the inside it's red. What's up, guys? We just made it back home, or made it back to the Airbnb, and I just wanted to show you guys the pants up close. So as you can see, they're like sport pants, so they're stretchy and they have some reflective on it, some reflective material. So I believe if you go, let's say it's dark outside, right? And you put your flashlight on and you put it on the pants, I believe it reflects. Think so. I hope so. But yeah. And there's like a little belt that's built in. So it attaches to my, well, clamps to my waist better. And I still have the luxury of having a lot of space and room in the legs. So that's pretty cool. And that is all. This is coming back with me to America. Yeah. So that's the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video or learned any new English words, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.